Great.
Hola. Hello. My name is Lyle. This is my friend John. John and I have known each other for 50 years, and in early 2020, John and I had both had cancer, and we were both in need of a full dental reconstruction. John and I had both seen that there was a city named Los Algodones, which is just on the border of Yuma, Arizona, that was providing supposedly high-quality dental work. John and I decided that I would take the run down there and do the recon work and see what they really do and what the situation is in Los Algodones. So in in July of 2020, I spent 10 days down in Los Algodones, and I went to 9 or 10 different clinics. At the end of the day, none of the clinics would give me enough suffice information to be able to decide whether I wanted the dental work down there or to go someplace else. What I had found out when I was there was 40% of the patients that were there for work that they had to have redone. So I have spoken to several people who had referred me to a clinic in Costa Rica named Freer Clinic. I passed the information on to John, and John said, hey, why don't we see what's going on down there in Costa Rica? I made the initial call to Dr. Freer, created a letter of intent for the work I wanted to get done, which he had no problem signing. And November 2020, I came down with John, and I had my first round of the reconstructive surgery, 11 implants, and then John just got done today or yesterday with his 11 implants and provisional dental work. John.
Bear in mind that we started our trip with researching the availability of services in the United States. And I can't even begin to tell you what a joke that is. If you want a good laugh for yourself, spend an afternoon with Clear Choice and find out what they want to charge you for your teeth and how well they're going to work out the financing and what you get for the money you pay. So us making this decision, it was absolutely a no-brainer. And as far as preparing a letter of intent, the only reason that had to be done was because no one would tell you specifically or commit directly to what they were going to put in your mouth.
Exactly.
And you could never get a straight answer from anybody. And so...
and I was there in person for 10 days.
So this clinic here in South America and Costa Rica has turned out to be the best money that we have spent
in our entire life.
In our entire, yes, really. And we're in a situation, and if you have had oral cancer of any kind or any amount of radiation for treatment, one day you will be sitting here where we're sitting. So we recommend that take our advice and come and talk to these people, because these are the ones that are going to do you the job correctly for the right amount of money and with the best quality of work.
We rate the Freer Clinic as one of the top one for sure in Costa Rica, maybe in the top 2 in the world, could be possibly the best one in the world. I've spent a lot of time over the past 2 years doing research for dental work, and I just finished my final porcelain fused over zirconium, total of 24 teeth with 12 implants, and by far it's the best teeth I've ever had in my life.
These are his final teeth.
There we go.
These are my provisionals.
There we go.
And I can't be more happy. Everyone who's seen them has been just astounded. Said it took 10 years off of my life.
And Dr. Freer and his gentleman that works for him, Massimo, are the number one in the world. Yay, thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.